Hello everyone. My name is Riya. Welcome back. Today is a very special day for me because today is my birthday. I feel happy, excited, and also a little emotional. Birthdays are not just about cake and gifts. They are about gratitude, love, and new beginnings. This morning, I woke up early. The first thing I did was smile. I said to myself, "Thank you for this beautiful life." Then I checked my phone. And wow, so many birthday messages. My friends sent sweet wishes. My family called me with love. My heart felt very warm and happy. After that, my mother made my favorite breakfast. It was very delicious. She smiled and said, "Happy birthday." Simple moments like this make life very beautiful. In the afternoon, I spent some quiet time with myself. On my birthday, I like to think, what did I learn this year? How did I grow? What do I want in my next year of life? Every birthday is a new chapter, a fresh start, a new opportunity. In the evening, maybe I will cut a cake. Maybe I will celebrate with my family. But honestly, the best gift is love. Love from family, love from friends, and love from you, my listeners. Thank you for being here with me. Before I finish, I have some questions for you. How do you celebrate your birthday? Do you like big parties or simple celebrations? What is your favorite birthday memory? When is your birthday? Tell me in the comments. I would love to read your answers. Thank you for listening.